Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, review and test. Today I'm going to show you how to use the DJI RC2 remote controller and reveal all its amazing features. I have made a video about the DJI R3S Fly More combo that you can watch at the end of this video. So let's move on. We have a 5.5-inch Full HD display with 700 nits, two external antennas adjustable, 2T4R with video transmission system up to 20 km max range, built-in 18650 Li ion battery with a capacity 3100 mAh that supports 9V 3A fast charging. We have the Type-C port, plug in the cable, 4 indicators showing the capacity and its charging, with a built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connection with GPS, 32GB internal storage capacity, and you can install your own microSD card. Connections for the strap. At the back we have the speaker, ventilation, it has an internal fan so it can cool all the parts. Two customizable buttons, C1 and C2. At the back we have storage for the sticks. Very easy to remove one of these sticks. You can buy separately a second pair and install here. Nice grip, I like it. Very comfortable. At the front we have the zoom and zoom switch and tilt for the camera. Take a photo, start recording, the joysticks, left and right, up and down, I will show you how it works, the on-off button, the switch for the slow, normal and fast mode. And another one here, the RTH, it is the flight pause and return to home. I like the grip. To turn it on, press once and press again and hold, and it will switch on. I can hear and the fan. You can connect to aircraft, choose the aircraft. You can go at camera view. Later I will show you. Before you fly, quick transfer, download the app at your smartphone, and you can transfer from the drone to your smartphone or from the controller to your smartphone. Album, here you can watch all the footage, photos, videos, favorites. Just tap, play, adjust in the position you want. You can delete. Sky Pixel, some services, profile, device management, remove device from account, value added service, offline maps, find my drone, DJI store, settings, check for firmware updates, check for fly safe database, firmware auto download, model auto update, sync flight data, camera view, flight tips, storage, internal or the SD card, you can switch which storage you want, clear the cache, some information for each storage, notification and privacy, about, DJI simulator, immersive flight, go fly, place aircraft. With this button, go at the record mode, start recording.
Take off.
Take off.
Home point updated.
So, with this switch you can choose Cine mode, this is the slow mode. normal, and fast. Normal. Tilt with the switch the camera, or you can zoom. You can stop recording, or you can just tap to record. It is a touch display. Stop recording. You can take a photo. And you can choose 2.5 or 6 times zoom. And again record, and you can zoom, make the adjustments, stop recording. You can choose master shots, tap or draw a box around the subject, okay, and start. Droney, circle far, pitch up and fly forward, circle medium, circle close, rocket, camera down and circle, camera straight and descend, camera down and descend, master shot complete. Aircraft returning to original location, okay. Nice. And we can see here other angle. You can zoom and zoom. You can change the informations here. Quick shots, rotate and start. rotate. Droney. Draw a box. Start. Here we can see the process. You can stop the process. Nice. Rocket. Circle. Start. And the process. Photo again, you can take a photo. So easy. Now let's move on to the settings. Safety. Obstacle sensing action, you can choose bypass, brake or off. Brake. Display radar map, disable, enable. Advanced RTH, optimal or preset. Optimal. RTH altitude, you can adjust from 20 to 120 meters. Update home point.
Home point updated.
AR settings. Signal lost. Hover, you can change. Land or RTH. Control. Jane and Expert tuning for Cine, Normal and Sport. And you can adjust all these values. Adaptive camera motion, adaptive or fixed, and you can reset. Stick mode, 2 button customization, you can adjust here the C1, C2, right dial, and again C1, C2, plus right dial. And you can choose which button you want. To do what? Camera, grid lines, there it is. Or nothing. Transmission, coming soon, about coming soon. Coming soon, and here you can land, press and hold. Record again.
Take off. Home point updated.
Or you can choose the RTH. Returning to home.
Takeoff. Home point updated.
You can switch view. Retrieve aircraft.
Takeoff. Home point updated.
I especially like how responsive it feels, how clear the screen is even in daylight, and the convenience of flying without needing to connect the phone. Are you fed up with your phone battery dying mid-flight or receiving annoying notifications just as you are about to take a great photo? This controller is a game changer. It's all about freedom. Turn it on and you are in the air in seconds. The high-performance screen performs much better in sunlight than most smartphones, and the dedicated sticks provide a level of precision that is impossible to achieve with a touchscreen. It makes flying feel like a professional experience every time. If you found this video helpful, please like it, subscribe and turn on the notification bell to receive updates on more drone gear reviews, flight tests and tips. Thanks for watching, fly safe and I'll see you in the next one.